this open street week of diesel. We're looking at a little deal Dodge Ram 2500.
I guess I jinxed him. Mike Austin, All-American.
Yeah, that didn't sound good. We're going to need some fire officials. That's
All right,
not
looks
good.
like a little bit of oil on the outside. We could hear some things happening going down the track. There wasn't looked like things are going good. Then it sounded good for a minute. We're all like he's got it going. Then all the things, bad things happen all too fast.
Well, I'm certainly not an expert at this game, but it sounded like he had a miss. And as he was going down through there, I wouldn't be a bit surprised if he burned a piston. Once you burn a piston down like that, it doesn't take very long to whip a little bit of oil on a valve cover, and now he's got a fire. I may not be right, but it's a good, quick guess.
Ready for Tom Wolf out of Johnstown, New York.
Here we go. Tom Wolf out of Johnstown in a Cummins powered Dodge. Ran out of boot wind. His heart is right in that truck full. And here's Mike Monteleone in a beautiful Cummins powered Dodge. Thomas Beebe on Jekyll and Hyde. Cummins powered Ram, 6.7 liter.
Happy